Halloween. There's the Tin Man. There's Dorothy in her beautiful red shoes. Oh, she's so pretty. And there's the old Scarecrow. Hold still, Rig. Oh, you're so great. Here it's nice and bright in here. You can see there's our Scarecrow. Gotta fix your spats, Landon. Look at the little joints on him. But there's Dorothy. He just went in the house to get something. Oh, look at your beautiful shoes. Oh, you look. The Wicked Witch of the East. I hope he's not getting... Of course, Brigham has to be an evil Scarecrow. I think the Scarecrow and the Tin Man always got along. Hey, Dorothy. She's all bundled up. She's got about 3 shirts on underneath that. Jeff's got it decorated neat. The kids made pumpkins. That one's Lannon's. Brigham's. Daddy's. Bot. And Brigham's. There's Dorothy again. Guys, let's stop, okay? Let's stop. He's got some friends out here. And so you notice there's an empty rope in between that Jeff is going to be standing and hanging in front of with a scary mask, much like these. And then he will move in a frightening manner when people think that he is one of them. Hey, Tin Man. There's the crew. The Little Wizard of Oz team. Can you do the we're off? We're off. This way. That's so bad. Off to see the wizard. There's a little girl back there. It's Toto. Hi, Toto, Kelly.
Toto's Kelly?
Sure.
We want to out, Mom. Come out.
No, she'd be jumping. All right, for a minute.
Can I go trick or treat yet? Can I go trick or treat?
Which one is Jeff? Landon!
How do I look?
You look good. You look bad. Whichever. You look just like your dummies.
Is it too bright?
Not yet. It might be later on, but maybe not.
Should I try this one light?
I don't know. Right now it's hard to tell, so just leave.
What do you think? I think it's too bright.
This is scary enough for our children.
I think less smoke. This is the one.
What? It's hard to see, but there's Jeff. The babysitter just came here. Okay, let's see if I can get Jeff. Jeff, want to do your move? That's all it takes, and they freak. Do they?
Really foggy.
Well, at least this is different.